Today's our topic is the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. This is the third video of this topic. Here we are going to discuss all the aspects of this act, and the remaining part we are going to discuss briefly. So I am starting the video. Please stay on with me. Chapter 3, Prohibition, Control and Regulation. Prohibition of certain preparations, certain operations. No person shall cultivate any coca plant or gather any portion of coca plant or cultivate the opium poppy or any cannabis plant or procedure, manufacture, processes, sales, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import, interstate export, interstate import into India, export from India, or transship and narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances, except for medical and scientific purpose and in the manner and to the extent provided by provisions of this act or the rules or order made thereunder, and in a case where any such provision imposes any requirement by way of license, permit or authorization, also in accordance with the terms and condition of such license, permit or authorization, provided that and subject to the other provision of this act and the rule made thereunder, the prohibition against the cultivation of the cannabis plant for the production of ganja or the production, possession, use, consumption, purchase, sale, transport, warehousing, import, interstate and export interstate of ganja for any purpose other than medical and scientific purpose shall take effect only from the date with the central government may be notification in the official gazette. Prohibition of certain activities relating to property derived from offence. Prohibition of certain activity relating to property derived from offence. No person convert or transfer any property knowing that such property is derived from an offence committed under the act any other corresponding law of any other country or from an act of participation in such offence for the purpose of concealing or disguising the illicit origin of the property or to assist any person in the commission of an offence or to evade the legal consequences or consequential or disguise the nature, true nature, source, location, disposition of any property knowing that such property is derived from any offence committed under this act or under any other corresponding law of any other country, or knowing acquires, possesses, you or use any property which was derived from any offence committed under this act or under any other correspondence law of any other country. Prohibition of certain activities relating to the property derived from the offense. So here is some prohibition of certain activities relating to the property derived from offenses. Powers of central government to permit, control and regulate. Subject to the provision of the Section 8, the central government may by rule permit to regulate the cultivation, gathering of any portion, such cultivation and gathering being only on account of the central government of coca plant or the production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate export, interstate use or consumption of coca leaves. The cultivation, such cultivation being only an account of central government of the opium poppy, the production and manufacture of opium and production of poppy straw, the possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, warehousing, sale, purchase, consumption, and use of the poppy straw produced from plant from which no juice has been extracted through lancing. The sale of the opium and opium derivative from the central government factories for export from India or sale of or to the state government or to the manufacturing chemist, the manufacture or the manufactured drug other than prepared opium but not including manufacture of medicinal opium or any preparation containing any manufacture of drug from material which the maker is lawfully entitled to possess. The manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate export, interstate sale, purchase, consumption, and use of essential narcotic drug. Provided that there is where is in respect the essential narcotic drug and the state government has granted license to permit under the provision of section 10 prior to the commencement of the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 2014, such license or permit shall continue to be valid till the date of its expiry or for a period of 12 months such as commencement, whichever is earlier. The manufacturer, possession, transport, import, interstate export, sale, purchase, consumption or use of psychotropic substances, the import into India and export from India, that transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, prescribes any other matter request to render effective the control of the central government over any of the matter specified in clause A. In particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power, such rules may empower the central government to fix from time to time the limit within which license may be given for the cultivation of the opium poppy, require art that all opium that procedure of land cultivated with the opium poppy shall be delivered by the cultivators of the officers authorized in this behalf by the central government, prescribes the forms and conditions of license for cultivation of opium poppy and for production and manufacture of opium, the fees that may be charged, therefore the authorities by which such license may be granted, withheld, refused or cancelled, and the authorities before which appeals against the order of withholding, refusal or cancellation of the license lie. Prescribe the opium shall be weighted, examined and classified according to the quality and consistence by the officers authorized in this behalf of the central government in presence of the cultivator at the time of delivery by the cultivator. Empower the central government to fix from time to time the price to be paid to the cultivators for the opium delivered. Provide the weighment, examination and classification according to the quality, consistence of the opium received at the factory and the deductions from or addition to the standard price to be made in accordance with the result of such examination. Required that the opium delivered by the cultivator is found as a result of examination in the central government factory to be adulterated may be confiscated by the officers authorities authorized in this behalf. Prescribe the forms and conditions of license for manufacture or manufactured drug, the authorities by which such licensees may be granted with the fees that may be charged from therefore. Prescribes the forms of condition of license, permit for the manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate export, sale, purchase, consumption or use of the essential narcotic and such diseases. Prescribes the forms of condition, license and permit, manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate. Prescribe the parts, port and the places. Power to control and regulate the controlled substances. Power to control and regulate the controlled substances if the central government is of the opinion that having regard to the use of any controlled substance in the production or manufacture of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances, it is necessary to expedient so to do in the public interest, it may by order provide the regulating or prohibiting the production, manufacture, supply and distribution thereof, the trade and commerce then, without prejudice the generality of the power conferred by subsection and order made thereunder may provide you regulating by license, permit or otherwise the production, manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate export, interstate scale, purchase, consumption, use, storage, distribution, disposal or acquisition of any controlled substances. Power of state government to permit, control and regulate. Provide that the limit within which licenses may be given for the cultivation of any cannabis plant shall be fixed from time to time or under the order of the state government, provided that only the cultivators licensed by the prescribed authority of the state government shall be authorized to engage the cultivation in the cultivation of cannabis plant. The land cultivated with the cannabis plant shall be delivered by the cultivators to the officers of state government authorized in this behalf. Empower the state government to fix from time to time the price to be paid to the cultivators of the delivered, prescribe the forms and conditions of license or permit, the purpose specified in the sub clauses. Narcotic drug and psychotropic substances not liable to distress or attachment. Restriction over external dealing in narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any law of contract, no narcotic drug, psychotropic substances, coca plant, the opium poppy or cannabis plant shall be liable to distrained or the attached by any person for the recovery of any money under the any order, decree of any court or authority or otherwise. Restrictions over external dealing in the narcotic drug. No person shall engage in the control of any trade thereby a narcotic drug and psychotropic substances is obtained outside India, supplied to any person outside India, save with the previous authorization of the central government and subject to such conditions as may be imposed by the central government. Special provision relating cannabis. Notwithstanding coca plant of central government, the interstate on export into interstate or import. Special provision relating to cannabis. Obtaining fiber or seed for horticulture purpose. Chapter 4, Offences and penalties. Punishments are more evident with the respect of the NDPS Act. Punishment of contravention in relation of poppy straw. Whoever is contravention of any provision of this act or any rule order made or condition of a such license granted under thereunder produce, possess, transport, import, interstate export, interstate sales, purchase, use, or omit or warehouse poppy straw or remove or does any act in the respect warehouse poppy straw shall be punishable. Where the contravention involves a small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extended to 1 to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both. Where the contravention involves quantity lesser than commercial quantities but greater than small quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. where the contravention involves commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in the relation of coca plants and coca leaves. Punishment for contravention in relation to prepared opium. Whoever is in contravention of any provision of this act or any rule or order made or condition of license granted thereunder cultivators any coca plants or gathers any proportion of the coca plant, produce, possess, sales, purchase, transport, import, interstate export with interstate or use coca leaves shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years. Punishment for contravention for prepared opium. Whoever is contravention of any provision of this act or any rule or order made or condition of license granted thereunder manufacture, possess, sales, purchase shall be punishable where the contravention involves which may extend the imprisonment which may extend 1 year or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees. Term which may extend to 1 year or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both. Where the contravention involves quantity lesser than commercial quantities but greater than small quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Where the contravention involves commercial quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may for reason to be recorded in the judgment impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in relation to opium poppy and opium. Punishment of embezzlement of opium by the cultivator. Punishment of contravention where whoever in contravention of any provision of this act, any rule or order made or condition of license granted thereunder cultivators opium poppy or produce, manufacture, possesses, where the contravention involves and quantity rigorous imprisonment for what term which may to 2 to 1 year or which may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both. There are some punishments where the contravention involves 1 lakh rupees extend to 2 lakh rupees punishment embezzlement of opium cultivator exceeding the 1 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in the relation of cannabis plant and cannabis. Whoever in contravention of the provision of any act will may granted thereunder cultivates any cannabis plants or produce, manufacture, possess, sale, purchase, transport, import shall be punishable. Where the contravention related to clause A with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable to fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. where such contravention relates to subs clause and involves small quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees, or with both, and involves quantities lesser than commercial quantities but greater than small quantities with rigorous imprisonment of for the term which may extend to 10 years, and with the fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. These are some regulations for the cannabis plant and cannabis plants cultivation. The manufacturer punishment of the contravention relations to manufactured drug and preparation. So what are the punishments given in the convention contravention of the in relation to the manufactured drug? First one is the rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 4 years to 1 year, or both, or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees, with both. Where the contravention involves quantities lesser than commercial quantity, the extent to be 1 lakh rupees. Where the contravention involves to commercial quantity with the rigorous imprisonment, so 1 to 2 lakh rupees, fine, or both. Punishment for contravention in relation to psychotropic substance who were in contravention of provision of this act of any rule. This may be going on to both type of punishment, or fine, or with the relation of the content is a very bad, so we could give the such type of penalty. Punishment for illegal import into India, export from India, and transshipment of narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances. Punishment for external dealing in narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances in contravention of section. The first one is 1 lakh rupees or imprisonment, or both. The second one is 1 year imprisonment or 10,000 rupees, or both. The imprisonment is very rigorous. The contravention involves commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for external dealing in narcotic, drug and psychotropic substances. Punishment for all allowing premises who are being using any house, room, enclosure, space, place, animal, or convenience knowingly permit it to be used to the for commission by any other person of any an offence punishable under the provision of this act, shall be punishable with the punishment provided for the offences. Punishment for contravention of order made under section 919A, the punishment with 1 lakh rupees and imprisonment of 1 year. Punishment of certain acts by licensee or his servant if the holder of any license, permit, or authorization granted under this act, any rule or order thereunder, or any person or in his employee acting by behalf fails to produce without any reasonable cause such license, permit, or authorization on demand of any officer authorized by central government or state government in the behalf, keeps any accounts or make any statement which is false, which he knows has reason to believe is incorrect, Punishment for consumption of any narcotic drug, psychotropic substances. With the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances consumed in cocaine, morphine, diacetyl morphine, or any other narcotic drug or any other psychotropic substances as may be specified in the behalf by the central government by notification in the official gazette, the rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine which may extend to 20,000 rupees, or with both, and with where the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances consumed in other than those specified in under clause A, with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or which fine may extend to 10,000 rupee, or with both. Preparation enhanced punishment or offense of previous conviction. If any person makes preparation to the or omit or anything with constitute any offense punishable under any provisions of section 1, enhanced punishment for offences of the after previous conviction. So this is the end of the video, and we are going to discuss this topic in next video, which one is the fourth part of this video.